Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience of Ruhinu's Learn Language Workshop Zakra program, welcome to another informative video and our YouTube video series. If you remember and if you watched our previous video, it was about subject pronouns in Pashto language. I explained in that 7 subject pronouns that we have in Pashto language. They are za, ta, muk, tase, dai, da, doi. And today's video I am going to explain and teach to be verbs in Pashto. I can surely say that you are familiar and do know about to be verbs that we have in English. In English, with the simple present form, there are only 3 to be verbs, which are am, are, is. What do you think? How many to be verbs there are in Pashto? Great! The answer is not as same as we have in English. In Pashto, we have 7 to be verbs with simple present form. Yam, you, ye, yast, dai, da, doi. Now only one to be verb of English is same in Pashto, which is am. Am means in Pashto yam. Its transliteration is why, you, am. As am is used in English with the subject pronoun I, similarly yam is used in Pashto with the subject pronoun za, or for the singular speaker. But the remaining 2 to be verbs in English, are and is, has multiple meanings in Pashto. The English to be verb are has 4 meanings in Pashto. If we use are in Pashto with the subject pronoun muk, then are means you. You transliteration is why, o, you. If are is used in Pashto with the subject pronoun ta, which mean in English you but the singular form, then are means ye. A transliteration will be y, a, y. To use are with you but the plural form, in Pashto are means then yast. To pronounce it, its transliteration is y, a, s, a, t. To use English to be verb are in English with the subject pronoun they, which is equal in Pashto to doi, then are changes its meaning. Are means d. The transliteration is t, h, double e, d. For the English to be verb is, there are 2 meanings in Pashto or 2 different words in Pashto. To use is in English with the subject pronoun he, in English is means dai. Dai transliteration is d, a, I. And the last, to use English to be verb is with the subject pronoun she is equal to da, then is means da. D, A, H. To summarize this lesson about Pashto to be verbs, there are 7 to be verbs in Pashto. Each Pashto subject pronoun has 1 to be verbs. By learning and memorizing Pashto subject pronouns and to be verbs in Pashto, you will be able to make short and simple sentences. See these examples. I am. To change this sentence to Pashto, زه یم. You are. In the singular form, it means in Pashto, تاسې یی. You are with the plural form, تاسې یاست. We are. موږ or موږ یو. They are. دوی یا هغوی دی. She is. دا یا هغه ده. He is. دی یا هغه دی. This is important to notice as we use in English subject pronoun at the beginning of the sentence and after we have to be verbs. Similarly, in Pashto we use for subject pronouns and after that the related to be verbs. At the end, I hope you will enjoy this video and join us for our next videos. To receive our videos on time, I am requesting you to subscribe Ruhi's YouTube channel, Ruhi's Facebook page. Its address is Ruhi News, and you also can browse us on Google. Our website address is www.ruhi.af.